while the door panel is off. Next thing in order is the door handle, because I know one day you'll snap these and you will break it, and it'll probably be a Jeep thing. And let me show you how to get this guy out. Now, I will say there is a bolt under here, but it is gone. It is right there. And there is a bolt underneath this little trap door, but as you saw, there was 2 bolts on the floor, one of them being that one too. Now, what I always do, right here in the corner, you always sort of feel a lip, just pull, and if and when done right, you lift up, and you have the door panel in your hand. Now, more safety clips, because the child behind this door panel who finds it will not be able to push it in and pull it out. So you got to pull the safety clip out. Now, this guy, we need a special tool. Let me show you. It's absolutely not special at all. It just makes life so much easier. You can grab and squeeze. 2 hands, way better than 1. Awkward? Absolutely. Now, let's get it out. So as you squeeze these guys, the little wings, you pull out, and it's cable driven. You pull it out of the socket. Done! And done. Torx. Let's just make sure of that. Yeah, it's right. Let's pull it out. Pull this little guy out. I'll show you how to get it out. You got the little Christmas tree right here. You can brutally just grab it and pull it out, but let's get a real tool, like a fork tool, and pry this thing off. Oh, it's out in my hand, yeah. See? So, right here, there's a little light switch of some sort. Whatever that is. I think it's ambient lighting, so you can see the door handle at night. Do I know? Who knows? I'm only assuming. Or you can just unplug it right here. See? Just push in and unplug. But I like being difficult, so I pulled the little wings that hold it in place. That's what I did. Do it with your fingers. This one and this one just sort of holds it in place. I'm going to put it back and I'll show you. See? This is just a guide on each side, and pull this guy back. So, let's put this little Christmas tree back and put it all back, because the other one took it out. And it goes right back as such. Come on. There you go. Line them up. You got guides. Put the Torx back, and there you go. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.